Welcome to my channel. Viagra is a brand name for a drug called sildenafil, which is used to treat erectile dysfunction, ED. It works by increasing blood flow to the penis, which helps a man achieve and maintain an erection. Number 2. Viagra was originally developed in the 1990s as a treatment for high blood pressure and angina. During clinical trials, researchers discovered that it also had a significant effect on men with ED. Number 3. Viagra is only available with a prescription from a healthcare provider. It comes in tablets of various strengths: 25 mg, 50 mg, and 100 mg. That should be taken orally about an hour before sexual activity. Number 4. While Viagra is generally considered safe and effective, it can have side effects such as headache, facial flushing, and upset stomach. It should not be taken by men who are also taking nitrates for chest pain or alpha blockers for high blood pressure. Number 5. It is important to note that Viagra does not increase sexual desire or libido. It is only effective when there is sexual stimulation. It also does not protect against sexually transmitted infections, STIs, or pregnancy. Number 6. Viagra should not be taken by women or children. It is only intended for use by adult men with erectile dysfunction. Number 7. The effects of Viagra typically last for about 4 hours, but this can vary depending on the individual. It should not be taken more than once a day. Number 8. In addition to its use in treating ED, Viagra has also been studied for its potential in treating other conditions, such as pulmonary arterial hypertension and altitude sickness. Number 9. Viagra should not be combined with alcohol, as this can increase the risk of side effects and reduce its effectiveness. Number 10. Viagra is one of the most popular and widely prescribed medications for ED, but it is not the only option. Other treatments include other oral medications, injections, and vacuum devices. It is important to talk to a healthcare provider to determine the best treatment option for each individual. Thanks for watching my video. Follow me for more